Hey guys, what's up? And today I will be reviewing my fidgets. And we're going to start off as the kendama. The kendama you can buy at Target, Walmart, or even, I don't know, just Target and Walmart. And here it is. I can't do as much as tricks as my brother can, but he got his own channel too. And like and subscribe and comment down below what's your favorite fidget in this whole video, okay? And next we're gonna do the Pop-It. The Pop-It you can get at Target, Walmart, or too. I just got this fidget today. It's called Pop-It. Here, I'll show you. You could buy them on Amazon too, or eBay, or Wish.com, or VAT19. Those are all websites where you can get this. And really, it's like a desk tool, or yeah, that's what I'm gonna start using it for. School. Well, your teacher could maybe say stop at that, so I would say that's a maybe. And then next we have I don't know what these are called, but they're kind of like a tangle. Hey, let's see what I can make. So this. There's that, and here, I made a square. Now ready? 1, 2. Here's some stairs. Wait. That's what you can make out of it, or you can make a couch. Yeah, these things are really fun. I brought this one to school, and the teacher didn't really care. It just keeps them busy, but kids busy, but it can be for anybody. And comment down below what the name is this fidget, because I don't know. Next we have a football squishy. Football squishy I got for free at school. And then next we have a money dollar squishy. It's a $100 bill. These things can easily get ripped up, but still, I like them. And then next, these things were really popular, but when they came out, but they're not as much anymore. Rubik's Cube. My grandpa loves these things, and he has one too, and he usually keeps them for decoration, but he just loves these things. I can't really sell these because I had this thing for about 2 years now, 3. And then next we have a pie strawberry cake. This one I got from a garage sale. And this one's basically a girl one. You can get boy ones or girl ones. Doesn't really matter. And next we have, let's see, a yo-yo. These things are not really fidgets, but I think they are. This one is a Jeff Gordon one. This one's really special. My dad had this one when he was a kid. I'm not as good as these, but I'll try. Okay, I'm not that good. And you probably could buy these at the dollar store, but I don't know where my dad got this one. That's really cool. And next, we have a squishy banana. You can tell I like squishies. And you can tell I like fidgets. This I got from, I traded. It's very fun to play with. And next, I have this, like, I got this at some place, I don't remember, but it's some, like, you have to try and, like, match it. That's what I think is a fidget, but it's not, I guarantee it. And next, I have slime/putty. This stuff is, it's really stinky. You can buy slime, they're like everywhere. It's so popular. I'm not a big fan. I think I'm gonna trade it. And next we have these they're kind of like Transformers, but I just think they're like fidgets that you can play with. See, I'm gonna try and build it. Might take a while. You can watch me though. There we go. And this, guess what this is? 5, 4, 3, 2, I don't think I'm gonna make it. 1. What is that? What is this? And 3, 2, 1. It is a boat. It's a missile destroyer transformer. Here, I'll put the missiles up. This thing can move back and forth, and I just think these are fidgets, but I got these from a garage sale, because I did a garage sale, and that is literally it. I have a lot of these ones, and this is homemade. This is probably stupid of me, but I made like combine them, like bend them the whole time. I think that's fidget to me, but it doesn't. Here, I'm gonna wrap up the yellow again. The Jeff Gordon one. He was a good racer. He quit 2000 something, 2000, I think 16. And that is it for fidgets today. And subscribe, like this video, and remember, comment down below what this is called, because I want to know. Okay? Subscribe, like this video, comment down below what's your favorite fidget out of all the fidgets. What's your favorite one? Comment down below. And see you all next time. Bye.